Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what it is. This is M World ENT. I'm out here at Juan Dolio, DR. Just taking a brief walk down the Juan Dolio strip. Not much really going on out here, but I want to show you what's around the neighborhood that I'm staying in. So if you'd like to join me, we'll check it out together. If you like these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up, tell a friend, and please subscribe. Got the beautiful setups out here, the resorts, because the beach area is right here. See the beach. It's just a plethora of hotels, suites, and restaurants. There's plenty of places to eat here. Today is Thursday, so maybe during the weekend, might be more people hanging out. You know, I'm a people person as far as, you know, what I like to do my adventures. I like to be around the crowd of people, see what, you know, the city's really about. Oceana Beach Club. They have a cool little restaurant in there as well. Near the beach, so the weather is beautiful. Since I was out here, I decided to take, you know, my usual little walk. This area is the clinic, the mini mart. Hello. There's a lot of places are vacant around here too. A lot of vacant buildings. Beautiful dog. See, this place looks vacant.
No, yo le iba a frenar y decir, mira, yo tengo 54 años aquí, nacido y criado aquí en Juan Dolio. Nunca me he metido con nada de
The water is fine, but I mean the weather is fine, but it was raining a little bit earlier, so you know the humidity is kind of kicking in. Cool little restaurant. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna check out though. I'm gonna stop by this place to get a bite to eat a little later on tonight, so we'll get to check out more of this area. Get to check out the old school cars. We got a rooftop bar. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna be stopping by tonight, so we'll get to check out a little bit more. Don't worry.
Qu'est-ce que vous avez besoin comme argent?
Restaurants. This is where I like to eat at. I always come here. I've been eating right here lately at the Cafe Bistro. Back to where I stay at. Staying in this little cut back here. Nothing fancy. I settled for location over luxury. But staying over here. Okay guys, I'm about to end my video right here. I appreciate those who watch. Give it a thumbs up, tell a friend, leave a comment, subscribe, and until next video, I'm gonna holler at you.